Hi, and welcome to Maybelle and Company Seeds and Such. Today we're going to be talking about planting and transplanting sunflowers.
Right. Sunflowers are very temperamental about their roots. So when you transplant them, you don't want them to be exposed to the air. So you want to take them from the 4-inch and put them into the gallon, and then the gallons go into the 2-gallon, and then further up as they get taller. Or if you have the room in your garden, to put them right in the soil.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
Today we're going to be planting drop-dead red sunflowers. These are one of many awesome sunflowers we offer on our website. We're going to start with a 6-pack with nice damp soil. So in each little compartment, you want to put an indentation of about 1/4 of an inch. Just take your finger and poke gently like this. And then you're going to drop one seed in each of those little holes. Cover it up gently so it has a little blanket over the top of it. And you're going to keep the soil nice and moist with a trickle, and so that doesn't really disturb the soil too much. So a nice light sprinkle from your watering can.
After about 3 weeks, they're about this size after we planted the seed. Now what we're going to do is transplanting them. So we need to make sure that the little root ball is kept intact because it does not want to be exposed to the air. We're going to take your hand or a little shovel and make a little hole for it, gently down, and then cover around with your soil. Make sure you're using good, healthy soil that will make a very strong sunflower. After you've done that, you want to take your sprinkling can, very gently moisten the soil around the sunflower. Also then press down again to make sure it's in there straight and stable.
All right, so between here and here, another 3 to 5 weeks will have gone by. So what I'm going to do is have another pot standing by to kind of catch some of the soil that I'm going to remove to make a space. So in my new 2-gallon pot, I'm going to dig a little deep, move some of this soil and displace it out of the way so that this big guy has a deep place to land when I toss him in there gently. So I've kind of loosened it up against the table a little bit, and I'm going to allow gravity to help me slide him out and land into his new home. Get the extra good rich soil out of there. He's nice and deep in the pot, and now I'm going to add back in the soil that we took out. So I'm just going to gently fill it in, taking good care to, you know, not rush, but fairly quickly cover up that root ball again, because like we said, the sunflowers are a little persnickety, so we want to give them what they want so that they bloom nice and pretty for us, right? We're going to add some more water from our sprinkling can. Lots of things going on in the yard today. Planes taking off, crows going over, and then we're going to pat down the soil a little bit more. It's a little low, so I'm going to add just a little bit more soil. Make sure that it has enough to keep it going. This nice big 2-gallon pot is going to allow for it to stretch its legs and get nice and big. Good luck with your sunflowers.